Now we have to do the row transformation by elementary transformation. For the row transformations, we have to write matrix A is equal to I into A. And now we have to take the example. The example is for 2 order 2 5 1 3, and that can be identity matrix 1 0 0 1 into A. We have to convert this matrix into identity matrix. Identity means 1 0 0 1. When we apply the operations in this matrix A, the same operations we can apply in this identity matrix. That becomes the inverse of A matrix. Now you have to see this. First row 2 5, second row 1 3. But according to this identity matrix, we require 1. That means we have to change 2 with 1 by applying the operations, the first row. That means we can use this R1 interchanging with R2. Here 1 is there, therefore we have to apply first row and second row, that can be interchanged. It becomes 1 3 2 5, यानी कि सेकेंड रो को फर्स्ट रो में कन्वर्ट किया और फर्स्ट रो को सेकेंड रो में कन्वर्ट किया. Now we have to apply the same operation here. In first row we have 1 0, write in the second row 1 0, and second row 0 1, write in the first row into A. Is it clear? And now it becomes 1. The next turn is 0. You have to convert into 0. To convert into 0, we can apply in second row. In second row, R2 minus 2R1. It means first row, first element is 1. Multiply it with minus 2. Then add to this. You will get 0. And now apply this. First row as it is 1 3. Minus 2 plus 2, it becomes 0. And 3 is there. 3 multiplied by minus 2, it becomes minus 6. Minus 6 plus 5, that means minus 1. That is equal to. The same operation we have to apply here. Here we have 0. 0 multiplied by minus 2 plus 1, it becomes 1. The elements of first row as it is, 0 1 as it is. Now it becomes 1. We have changed earlier. And now here is 0. Multiply this first row by minus 2. Minus 2 plus 0, that means minus 2 into A. Is it clear? And now this term, we have to make it 1 according to this identity matrix. To make it 1, multiply this second row by minus 1. Then it becomes 1 3 0 1 is equal to 0 1. Multiply by minus 1, it becomes minus 1 2 into A. Is it clear? And now this becomes 1. Now the turn is 3. This 3 we have to convert into 0. To convert into 0, we have to use this second row. That means in R1, we have to change in first row. Therefore, in R1, R1 minus 3 times R1. Here plus 3 is there. Therefore, we have to multiply by minus 3. If there is minus 3, then we have to multiply it by plus 3. But here plus 3, we have to multiply it by minus 3. And now you will get 1 because when we have to multiply by minus 3 into 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. It means there is no change in there. And now for this, multiplied by minus 3 plus 3, it becomes 0. And this second row as it is, because we have to convert only in the first row, that is equal to the same operation here 0. Multiply this second row, here we have to write R2 because we have to multiply this second row with R2. Minus 2, minus 1 is there. Multiply this minus 1 with minus 3. It becomes plus 3. 0 plus 3, that means 3. And this element multiplied by minus 3, it becomes minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1, that means minus 5. And this one, second row element as it is, minus 1, 2 into A. And now you have to see this. This matrix is the identity matrix, and this is, it becomes B. It means I is equal to BA. And this one, B is equal to A inverse, that is 3 minus 5 minus 1, 2. That is the inverse of A matrix. Is it clear?